during this visit to Sungrow's headquarters, what has stood out to you?
I think for me, one of the things that just really stands out is the scale. I've been to a lot of factories in China, but without a doubt, this has got to be one of the most advanced manufacturing facilities for inverters I've been to. And it's really reassuring to meet all the people behind the scenes and see just how seriously they take making their products. And I think when you see it firsthand, it absolutely makes sense why Sungrow products are so reliable and work so well.
So I also visited the manufacturing facility, and I myself have a background in manufacturing. I'm an engineer, so I was particularly excited by all the stuff that's going on there. Crazy amounts of test equipment, quality control. What caught your eye about what's going on there?
But one thing that really stood out to me was the use of AI in their manufacturing line. I think it adds that extra layer of security.
That's something, home batteries isn't that, has seen an explosion recently in Australia. So how has your business changed with with this development?
Not a lot has really changed in our business except for the volume. But what we're doing is the same model we've been doing for years, which is using the Sungrow products, sizing it correctly to what the customer's needs are, asking all the right questions, installing it to a high quality standard.
So do you think you can condense into one sentence, why do you continue choosing to work with Sungrow?
We want the best outcomes for our customers, and I can confidently say that Sungrow is the best.